evening here from Benidorm. While bars like those underneath the Flash Hotel are getting more and more empty as the evening starts on, more people opt to go out for dinner towards Mariano's or have a drink at the Silver Dollar Bar. And that is exactly where I'm right now gonna head to. Silver Dollar's just around the corner, literally 3-minute walking distance from those two hotels where I just were. After those hotels, I'm going to go towards the Levante Beach to see the sunset, which is supposed to be stunning. You can see it already a little bit on those mountains in the distance. So I'm going to check that out. And the bar's down there as well. On my left is the Sol Pelicanos Hotel. Really popular one. Their massive pool is right back there. And it's impossible to get through unless you enter through the hotel. And while we're on our way, please guys, don't forget to hit that like, really does help the videos out there. And do subscribe if you aren't yet to the Benidorm channel. There we are already, Silver Dollar Bar. Really popular one. The newest one, the bank, is almost ready to open up. It's if you take a left up there at the indoor market. Not heading there right now, probably tomorrow. I'm going to give you guys a look how it is currently. Awesome atmosphere. They're not that busy anymore. I think Mariano's right next door is much busier. There we have Mariano's, very busy inside already for a weekday. More crowds are going to come in. Spanish people like to eat late. So I expect some crowds later on at night. I think around 8, 9. And it will get much busier. Right on the other side of Mariano's, there's the Kebabish Original. Benidorm has many of those places, but this one recently renewed their complete terrace out there. Unfortunate for them, no one is there yet. Probably later on tonight, once the strip becomes more popular, people tend to get a quick bite at those places here in Benidorm. For me, when I go out, I always look for those where it's a bit busy, so you know at least everything is baked well and you not get served something that is already right waiting there for you since the afternoon. On my left you can see the new tower from Port Benidorm. Really tall, looking out over literally everything in Benidorm, I believe. Once that opens, we'll definitely check out the top view if it is accessible. I know on the same level as there used to be on the old one, there used to be a rooftop bar. On the same level at the new tower, there's going to be a restaurant. You can walk in from the rooftop bar then. So I don't know, are they going to do something on top? But let's hope so, as that view will be amazing from there. And while we're talking about Port Benidorm, why not head there and just have a quick look how things are going. Usually when it's getting a little bit darker, they put the lights on inside, and then it's really easy to look inside what is happening. Got the triangle pub in front of it. It's open but no one there. It's dinner time, so I think most of the folks are right now at dinner. The old restaurant that was on there on the second floor. That's currently a storage room for all the new materials being brought in. Down underneath where the old reception area used to be, they have broken through the wall to get towards the other hotel, or the new tower then. And in there it's still one big construction zone. I believe the hotel is scheduled to open again 1st of June. A lot of work to do still, so up there on the room there is a light on. Did hope to see that downstairs as well. Don't know how they redid those, the existing ones. On the right you can see a bed shoved against the window, so maybe there are new beds in there as well. Not that many lights on as I did expect. You can see indoors it's still one big construction zone. On the right, the walls completely broken through where there used to be extra lobby space and a bar. It's unrecognizable right now. There is a new wall up here. I think this is going to be a new terrace. A new big outside terrace where you look over the people walking up the hill from the Levante Beach. Amazing looking hotel. Right there on the edge of Benidorm, and it is the only hotel here in Benidorm I ever stayed in. For the rest, before I lived there, we rented mostly apartments. This is the only hotel I stayed in for then, so can't talk about the rest of them how they are. But this one was really good value for money always. I think we'll get an amazing sunset tonight. First on, let's check out the bars on the left. Rica's, Stag and Pheasant, Levante Beach. And one of the McDonald's with an amazing view you get on here. On the bars, it's still really busy, lots of people having a drink, not that many eating. Well, you can get some good food at Rica's. Check out this sunset they all have. Has just gone underneath the mountains, just missed it I think. This still looks amazing. Some people already put up their chairs for tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be another warm, hot day over here in Benidorm. I believe it's going to be around 22 degrees. Beautiful day. Today was around 24. Want to see how it was and how busy? Check out this video over here. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.